5 little farmers.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
5 little farmers woke up with the sun, for it was early morning and chores were to be done. The first little farmer went to milk the cow. The second little farmer thought he'd better plow. The third little farmer fed the hungry hens. The fourth little farmer mended broken pens. The fifth little farmer took his vegetables to town, baskets filled with cabbages and sweet potatoes brown. And when the work was finished and the western sky was red, 5 little farmers tumbled into bed.
The end.